Hey everyone, these upcoming 4 videos are going to take some time to explain some of the basics of wildlife rehabilitation. Now the goal is to educate everybody about what we do here at Back to Nature, but how others can help if they wanted to. So when it comes to native wildlife species, rescuing is going to be the process of finding a sick, injured, or orphaned animal and then handing it over to a responsible and trained individual who could ensure its survival. Now I get it, if you see a cute furry animal that's been sick, injured, or orphaned, you're going to want to pick it up, take it home, and maybe care for it for yourself. And while your intentions and heart are in the right place, truth be told, it's probably not what's best for them. It is so important to get the animals where they belong right away. And like many wildlife rehab centers, that's where we come in. Now, the intakes or the animals that have been rescued and handed over to us have been kept for days, sometimes even weeks. And at that point, it is so difficult to get them the care that they need and sometimes almost impossible. Now, you want to be very careful. And that's because if you see babies alone, that doesn't mean they're necessarily orphaned. The parents could be off finding food. They could be watching very closely from a distance. So scent is everything to animals. And when we come and touch them, leaving our own scent may actually end up leaving them orphaned. This is why it's important to take some time and observe from a distance. Now, this is arguably the most important part. If you see a sick, injured, or orphaned animal and they're safe and small enough to handle, you still want to use some sort of covering. Towels work, gloves work, and that's because we don't know what disease is being carried by what animal. For example, reptiles are well known for carrying salmonella, so you want to be safe. But if you see a much larger animal, like a bobcat, you definitely want to watch from a distance, but go ahead and contact your local licensed wildlife rehabilitator or the appropriate FWC office. Now, thanks to the support of local citizens and officials alike, Back to Nature has been able to successfully release roughly 2,000 animals annually back to the wild. So we want to thank you for that support and look forward to working with you even more.